Lose weight without the gym, surgery, or a diet. We're going to show you the new technology. It is Monday, August 26th. The Fox 5 Morning News at 8 starts now.
Serving all of San Diego, this is your Fox 5 Morning News.
Chrissy, I feel like I should suck in my gut right about now. Guys, are you getting a little bit of a spare tire? Ladies, are you looking to maybe drop some sizes in the abdomen without setting foot in a gym, without changing your diet? Well, guess what? Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Melanie Palm is here now. And Dr. Melanie, this is some game-changing, painless, that's the key for me, painless technology that melts your fat cells. Good morning to you, first of all.
Good morning.
What is this? This is something called Vanquish.
It is.
What is that, and how does it work?
It's a Vanquish by BTL, and it's a radio frequency device. So basically, that's a special form of electricity, and it's tuned specifically to concentrate the energy at the fat level, and actually heats up your fat cells and permanently destroys some of them, and that's how we get weight reduction.
Now, where did this technology come from? How long has it been around?
It's actually from Europe, so it comes out of Prague. It's FDA approved for deep tissue heating, and right now the FDA is further evaluating final studies for use in fat removal.
There's so many types of non-invasive fat loss treatments out there. How do you pick? You have so much to choose from. How do you decide to go with something like this for your particular practice?
Sure. Well, you know, I perform liposculpture as well, and it's pretty invasive, so I think I get a request frequently from male patients and female to do something non-invasive. I think what makes this distinct is there's no pain. There's no downtime at all from it. Some of the other procedures, you know, you may have heard of cryolipolysis. That can cause a little bit of discomfort, and it's huge. It's actually the largest surface area that treats this non-invasively.
Now, in terms of liposculpting, you said, how does the effectiveness compare to that?
Sure. Well, I tell patients this isn't a substitute for liposculpture if you need larger volumes removed, but if you're somebody like Rian over here who's near his ideal weight but maybe has a stubborn little spot that he can't get rid of, you're close to sort of ideal weight, this will help get rid of those last couple of inches.
So you would think, is this something that's good for men and for women?
Absolutely, both. And I think, you know, men being interested in cosmetic procedures, it's increasing, and so to be able to walk in and walk out in 30 minutes for a procedure, this is fantastic.
Okay, you mentioned this isn't for somebody who may need the liposuction. So the best candidates would be
somebody
just
adult,
that stubborn something.
Yeah, who's not interested at surgery at this point, but just has a few pounds sort of around the midsection.
Sure. Okay, so did you say he's a trainer?
He is.
Because I was going to say, dude walked in and he's like a big, strong guy. I'm like, what do you need that thing for? But apparently he comes to you because there's some things that just can't. Okay, what was your name again?
Rian.
Okay, Rian. So you comfortable?
Yeah.
What does that feel like to you? Do you feel, is there heat? Is there any?
It's like a warm blanket.
It's like a warm blanket?
Yeah.
And have you done it before?
Nope.
This is the first time. So you think are you pretty confident in its ability, and that maybe kind of, do you have some stubborn spots that maybe this will help you with?
I'm sure everybody does, yeah.
Are you Australian?
No, South African.
South African.
I know.
See,
Good accent, isn't it?
He was laying down. Had he been standing up, I would have.
Yep.
I was going to say, is that a Mississippi accent? No. It's South African. Well, welcome. So there's no pain.
No pain. Just it feels like having a heating pad over the area. 30-minute treatment. We even provide a fan if you're a little bit warm. So very simple. It's one of those procedures that almost seems too good to be true, but there's good animal research and human researse to demonstrate its efficacy.
Why are you getting this done?
Why?
What's the reason?
You know, people like it.
True. We had some pictures we wanted to show you, Dr. Melanie. Can we bring those up of men and women? This is the guy. Let's hope this is the guy, first of all.
Not me.
Not you. So kind of give us a comparison here.
Sure. So these are from European patients where it's already been under clinical trials. And so you can see that midsection. So this actually treats not only the abdomen, but the flanks, what we call the love handles. And you can see the before and after. It's actually two different patients. And there's usually, in this study, there was an average of about 2¼ inches of reduction in the waistline.
Really?
And in animal studies, it actually showed 60% decrease in the number of fat cells. And we think it's permanent.
Is this kind of like the future of
it
this
is.
kind of, you think so?
I really think it's going to be a game changer as far as fat loss and body contouring non-invasively.
All right, we have a picture of a female patient. Can we bring that photo up and see how? Okay, so we have two different people here.
Sure, yeah.
Explain what we're looking at here.
And see, these are good ideal candidates. They're people that are close to their ideal weight, but they have that stubborn little bulge in the midsection that they're wanting to address. So you can see in the before and afters, they're just a little bit more nipped in. Some of that area of fat is a little bit better contoured. Their tummy is a little bit flatter.
amazing technology. And by the way, he's been laying here for about half an hour now, and that's about the duration of the treatment.
Exactly.
So he's about done.
Yeah, usually.
And is it every week? Is it every month? How often do you have to do it?
It's once a week for 4 sessions is
Once
what
a
the
week,
clinical
4
studies
sessions.
were
Okay.
based off of.
Wow. Fascinating
I
stuff.
know, it's really great.
Dr. Melanie Palm, thank you. I wanted to make sure people know they can reach you at The Art of Skin. That's up there in beautiful Solana Beach, 437 South Highway 101. Dr. Melanie, thank you. By the way, your website is also linked to fox5sandiego.com. Thank you.
Thank you, Raul.
And thank you. Now, if once we pass half an hour, we'll remove this. But for now, you stay. All right? You stay. Got it. All right, let's get it over to Erica Fox.
I was going to say he's a trooper. We were supposed to do this segment last hour. We ran out of time, so he's been on that table thingy over there for like 45 minutes. He's a trooper for sure. We appreciate your patience. All right, still ahead on Fox 5, how you can join the celebration for our East Lake Little